Hi, it's Rachael Smith with Compass Real Estate up in Big Bear Lake. I want today to walk you through one of my favorite A-frames up in Big Bear. So it's over on Brownie, which intersects with Summit. So just a very short walk to Snow Summit. So come check this one out with me. Okay, so here we are at 41959 Brownie Lane in Big Bear Lake, California. Beautiful 3-story A-frame. And this one is currently used as a vacation rental. And you can just see these beautiful towering pine trees that are all over the property. And the owners on this one, very successful vacation rental because it is very close to grocery stores, Snow Summit, Bear Mountain. It's actually really, really close to Big Bear Lake as well. So outside, just basic. Got like a little loungy area with a fire pit, gas fire pit, legal gas fire pit, which is a very important thing to add to a rental in Big Bear Lake. So, very deceiving when you look at the home, but this one is 5 bedrooms and 2,284 square foot. So you enter right here, and you can go up the stairs to the 3rd level over there. Hosting an open house here today. A nice dining area, kitchen, lofted, beautiful high ceilings. So let's first go out onto the deck. First thing I noticed is they have this lifetime decking. So really a nice upgrade. So they've got their spa on the front porch, a little dining area. Outside, you can walk to Snow Summit from here. This thing can actually go away too. You can close it up if you don't really care for privacy. But kind of neat because it almost looks like it could dual as a projector screen. Let's go through this first floor. Got the nice paneling. So off to the left here, we have our first full bathroom. And then an electric heater. And so each of these 2 bedrooms down on this floor have its own heater, air conditioner. So this home has been on the market for about 48 days. Hard to get into because it's rented quite often. We actually had to block it off so that we could get an open house going. We've had a lot of traffic today. So we're going to go upstairs first. You've got this nice little area, that is a little desk, work area. Into but I would probably consider this one the master. Very warm and cozy. Great vibe in here. And then you've got another full bathroom upstairs, the master. And just check out these great trees out front too. Then from here, we will go down to the lower level. It's got this great wood burning stove. These do so good for heating up the house. So this is what I would consider to be the kids area. So if I was to rent this place out, I would say all of you go downstairs and stay down there. Really kind of like a kid living room area, massage chair, living space. And then you're gonna have the laundry down here, as well as a master. So we're kind of underneath, maybe halfway underneath the ground right here. So you can, it's noticeably different under here, just a wee bit cooler. There's your half bath. And then we'll go to the other wing, which is going to be another bedroom bathroom. So on this side, going to be a full bathroom. Very updated. And then your last bedroom. So again, I mean, feels like air conditioning down here, although it's not. It just feels super cool, which is hard to find in Big Bear. So that is it. 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and listed for $865,000. This is an Airbnb. Contact me if you would like to know the rental income numbers. Talk to you soon.